Indian manufacturing industry is in threshold of taking off from a simple low-cost manufacturing to a high-tech manufacturing. Last 10 years, our scales of manufacturing have become much larger. We are moving from simple manufacturing to design and manufacturing. Now, this has really created a large need for trained manpower amongst the industries and members of IMTMA. Recognizing this need, Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association is running series of training programs aimed at lower, middle, and top management. Towards this initiative, IMTMA is announcing a new advanced training series called the System Approach Towards Precision Manufacturing Grinding Processes. This is a flagship program we are launching this time. With this, we hope to come out with series of advanced learning programs aimed at manufacturing industry and machine tool industry. We have Dr. Subbu Subramanian anchoring this program. I have great privilege to introduce Dr. Subbu Subramanian. Dr. Subbu Subramanian is president of an institute called STIMS Institute. STIMS Institute focuses on knowledge management. He has a wide range of experience in leadership training, particularly systems approach towards process improvement. Dr. Subbu Subramanian has over 35 years of experience in manufacturing, starting from Ford Motors to Norton and with Saint-Gobain. Dr. Subbu, could you please explain to us what is the system approach to manufacturing and what is its relevance for Indian manufacturing industry?
Mr. Krishnan, system approach is a methodology for large-scale improvements in total cost and productivity in manufacturing process. It's parallel and probably the next wave after the Lean and Six Sigma practices in place today in manufacturing operations.
Dr. Subbu, could you please tell us as to what is the reason why we have chosen grinding as a process to kickstart this training program?
As you know well, grinding process is a critical manufacturing operation in many precision components manufacturing industries. Grinding is a surface generation process. It is used extensively in many industries, from automotive to aircraft manufacturing, from cutting tools to carbide manufacturing, from bearings to semiconductor components. The cost, quality, and productivity, and often service issues of many precision component manufacturing are very much related to and impacted by the efficiency in the grinding processes.
Could you please highlight the content of this program for the benefit of participants?
In this course, we will teach the students how to look at the grinding process as a whole, as a system. They will learn the science, the engineering, and the economics related to grinding process. They will learn what really happens when the sparks are produced, the microscopic interactions. We will also have some hands-on laboratory-style experiments where the students will collect the data and analyze the process. The course will also have some special guest lectures from several industry specialists.
Dr. Subbu, who should attend this training program?
This program will be of great significance and value to the manufacturing professionals, particularly senior level engineers and mid-level managers who are responsible for process improvement, new process implementation, and cost and productivity enhancement in precision components manufacturing.
Dr. Subbu, could you summarize few takeaways for the participants?
As a result of this course, we expect the students to have a much broader perspective of the grinding process as a system and how the various parts fit together. They should also be able to zoom in when required to look at the technical details and also zoom out when required to look at the larger engineering and economic and management issues. They'll be more scientific to look at the process and not think of it as a black box. And finally, they should be able to integrate knowledge already available from many sources, from the shop floor, from the engineering department, from the suppliers, from the machine tool builders, and yes, even from the customers who use the components.
Dr. Subbu, this is a very key initiative of IMTMA to bring new technologies, new management approaches to the country. Successful implementation of outcome of this program will help manufacturing industry to build more competitive position in the global market. Best wishes and thank you very much.
Thank you so much.